It's Christmas time here in Snowy Top Maths Land. I know, you didn't expect it either, but here we are. And what better time than Christmas to have a look at some fractions, decimals and percentages and a common question that appears on your 11 plus maths papers. So we're going to have a look at Santa and him giving out sweets to 4 people, and let's see who gets the most sweets. So the question is as follows. At Christmas time, Santa gives out sweets. He gives 4/5 of 80 to Angela, he gives 70% of 80 to Brian, and he gives 0.75 of 80 to Carla. And finally, he gives the snowman 63 sweets. I'm not sure why, but he does. So let's find out who gets the most sweets. So let's see how many sweets each person gets. Angela gets 4/5 of 80, so I have to work out 4/5 times 80, because of means times. And when you have a fraction like this, I like to cross cancel first, and we go from the denominator 5, and does 5 go into 80? Yes, it does. So 5s into 5 go 1, and 5s into 80 go 16. So then I can do some simple multiplication. 4 times 16 equals 64. Moving on to Brian, 70% of 80. So many ways you can do this. We can work out 10% of 80 equals 8. So then I need 70%. So times that by 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. So 70% is 56. And next one, Carla. She has 0.75 of 80. When there's a decimal like this, I'm going to turn that into a fraction, and 0.75 is the same as 3/4. And just like the first one, I'll look at the denominator. 4s into 4 go once, 4s into 80 go 20. So then I can just multiply 3 times 20, which equals 60. And we know the snowman has 63 sweets. So overall, the person that gets the most sweets is Angela with 64. Well, that's a lot of sweets for Angela to eat. I hope she doesn't get sick. Okay, so my Christmas present to you is to have a go at those questions below to get really good and confident at sorting out your fractions, decimals and percentages.